Introducing the 2025 Toyota Corolla, a name that continues to define reliability, fuel efficiency, and smart design in the compact car segment, with refreshed styling across both sedan and hatchback variants. This year's Corolla features a more prominent front grille, sleeker LED headlamps, a bolder stance, and new color-coded 18-inch alloy wheels that give it a sharper look on the road. The FX Special Edition adds a unique touch with black exterior accents, gloss black roof, and sportier bumpers, making it stand out even more. Inside, the cabin is upgraded with a standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims offer a 10.5-inch display and a 7-inch digital cluster. There's also improved interior lighting, optional JBL sound system, and new fabric or Softex upholstery for a more premium feel. The seating remains comfortable and the cabin design clean and driver-focused. Under the hood, the Corolla sedan and hatchback models are powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower, mated to a CVT gearbox, delivering a smooth and efficient drive with fuel economy up to 35 miles per gallon. The Corolla hybrid variant combines a 1.8-liter petrol engine with electric motors, delivering up to 50 miles per gallon combined, and now even available in AWD on SE and XLE trims. For enthusiasts, the high-performance GR Corolla is available with a 1.6-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine, producing 300 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive, offering a true rally-inspired experience with track-ready features like forged carbon roof, upgraded brakes, and aggressive aerodynamics. Now let's talk about the price in USDT, since $1 is equivalent to $1. The base LE sedan starts around $23,460. The SE trims, including hatchbacks, go for $25,750 to $26,650. The FX edition is priced around $27,785. Hybrid models range from $24,760 to $29,125, depending on trim and drivetrain. While the GR Corolla performance line ranges between $39,995 and $48,650, depending on configuration. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Corolla lineup offers something for every driver. From practical commuters to spirited drivers who want an aggressive, all-wheel drive hot hatch experience with hybrid technology, safety upgrades, stylish design, and a price range that fits most budgets, the Corolla remains a smart choice in 2025. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Grabbing Cars, and let us know in the comments whether you'd go for the reliable hybrid, the sporty FX, or the powerful GR Corolla. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.